let's get started. If you're just starting out as a social media manager, or you're in the place where you're like, I'm just ready to get serious, I'm not playing any games anymore, then this video is for you, because I'm getting ready to share with you some of my favorite tools for social media managers. And of course, they're budget friendly, because we're not trying to break the bank starting our agency, okay? My name is Erica, and I am your personal social media management coach, your biggest cheerleader, and the owner of the Agency Edit, an accelerator that helps you launch and scale your own profitable social media management agency. Wow. Let's get started, shall we? First one we're going to discuss is Google Drive. And of course, this one is free. All you need is a Google account. What I love about Google Drive, though, is this is a really great way to organize your clients' files. So you can add in their assets. When I say assets, I'm talking about their branding, if they do photo shoots, all that type of stuff. Also brand logos, fonts. There's all these things, right, that you can have inside of your Google Drive folder. Not only that, but you can give your clients direct access to those folders where they can drop the stuff in themselves month after month. So if they have a photo shoot next month, tell them, here's a link, drop all your photos in there for me right here. This is also a really great place to house all of your paperwork. So when you're sending off your proposals, your contracts, if you want to have just one area, like maybe you don't have a client portal yet, that's fine. House everything right here. And even when you send in their contracts and proposals and things inside of emails, you can send them a direct link to that Google Drive folder or to that actual document. The next tool that I want to recommend to you is Instagram Analytics and Insights. So you probably have heard of Later, Iconosquare, Planoly. Those are amazing sites to schedule content out as well as get insights. But when you're creating your client reports, one of the things that you can use for free is going to be Instagram's analytics. They have really started to go in depth with these analytics and give us a lot more insights month over month. So when you want to show progressions and you want to show it by percentages and say, okay, well, this month I was able to do a 25% increase in content interactions, Instagram has that right there for you. So make sure you are using those insights when it comes time to prepare your client report. And when the time comes, of course, you can use some of Instagram's approved third-party platforms, again, like Later or Planoly or Iconosquare, to not only help you schedule out that content, but to also go ahead and get some more data and insights. The third tool I want to recommend to you all is Canva Pro. Canva Pro is the quickest and easiest way for you to create content for your clients week after week and month after month. And if you're like,
I am not a graphic designer, I don't even want to learn how to be a graphic designer,
it doesn't matter, because they have so many pre-made templates on there, like carousels. They have things on there if you want to do like polls. There's a lot of good templates on Canva Pro, and they're completely customizable for your clients. There's even a section in there where you can upload a brand kit. So if you want to put in your clients' colors, their fonts, logos, you can do all of that inside of Canva Pro as well, and easily customize that content for their page. And again, it just makes life easier. So if you create like maybe 5 or 6 templates that you want to rotate through for your clients, just do that. And each week you're going to be changing them up. Now, this next tool is for when you're serious. When you're like, Erica, I'm not playing any games out here. I'm ready for my agency to be legit. Let me recommend to you Dubsado. With Dubsado, you can send legally binding contracts, you can schedule meetings and link it up to Zoom, you can create all of your proposals, you can send automatic invoices, you can create like this whole onboarding workflow. So like if somebody sends you a lead and then you send them a discovery call form automatically, where you could just be sitting around chilling watching your favorite show, and in the background, this is working all for you. If you're not quite ready to invest in a program like Dubsado, that's perfectly fine, because I understand you just starting out. Like, let's hold up now, I'm just starting out. You can still use Google Forms or even a type form to capture leads for your agency. If you're just getting started, you know your girl got you. So make sure you check out my other video on how to become a social media manager with no experience, because there's lots of great tips in there, as well as a little bit of homework to get you started. But if you really enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and you subscribe and all those dope things. And until next time,